Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Hey, Danny Ray with insuranceforburial.com. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great, doing great. I was just reaching out to you in reference to an inquiry that you made online at one of our websites, and you expressed interest in burial insurance?
Yeah, burial insurance, not term
Okay.
life insurance, because
Nope.
that's what I get every single time I apply anywhere.
No. Although we do have GULs, term, whole life, we do have specialty in burial insurance. So we have everything, but we'll focus on just the burial insurance carriers for you. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, first and foremost, just going to let you know, I'm the licensed burial agent for the state of Arizona. They make me say that, but I'm also your personal advisor. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you get the best price burial insurance policy nationwide. That's just what I do for a living, but it'll also be with an A-rated carrier better, which is very, very important. So if you have any questions along the way, please feel free to jump in. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. And I see you're inquiring about $10,000 in coverage. Is that accurate?
That's correct.
All right. Just how'd you come up with that number? I just want to make sure you're getting just enough, or you're getting too much.
Well, I do have a policy through work, so that's
Okay.
another 10,000.
All right.
I
All
mean,
right.
if I can get, I'm looking for cheap because I can't afford much more.
Yes, these will be the most cost-effective full burial insurance policies
Mhm.
for life. Okay, so it's not going to be
Okay.
any gimmicks where the price will go up down the road or the coverage will be cut down the road like your Colonial Penns and the AARPs of the world. Okay, those are
Uh-huh.
usually anything you see late night on TV or in the mailboxes usually have a
Uh-huh.
lot of exclusions. So these will be
Right.
the best rates. Now you are very young still for burial insurance, so they'll be pretty cheap. Okay, for 10,000. So what I can do for you is I can give you a price on 10. 15 and 20 if you like, or 5, 10, and 15, whatever's comfortable for
Oh,
you.
how about 10 and 15?
10 and 15, you got it.
Well,
You got it.
10, 15, and 20. I mean, it
Okay.
depends on the cost.
Yeah, and it's the reason why I bring that up is because not many people they think about now, right? But you're not going to die today. 20 years from now, a funeral could be
Right.
easily 20,000, 25,000. I remember, heck, back in the 80s when my grandparents passed away. I was 7 and 9 years old when they did, and funerals were $3,000 to $4,000. The only reason why I remember that is because my mom had to cover everything. She was a single mom. So I remember
Yeah,
it
right.
vaguely like it was yesterday, the pain and hurt that she had to go through with that. All right, so yeah, with 10 to 15,000, and God forbid if you passed away tomorrow, who'd get all this money? Who'd be the beneficiary?
Well, I would hope my four natural kids equally.
Okay. All right. So the kids, okay. Just wanted to make sure there's insurable interest. All right. So I'm going to spade a sales pitch. I'm really a no-nonsense kind of guy. Get right to the point.
Okay.
What I'm going to
Okay.
do for you is I'm going to ask you a few questions in reference to health and lifestyle. Okay. What that does for
Okay.
me gives me the
Okay.
abilities. Yeah, it gives me the abilities to separate the fakers from the makers. Really isolate that best burial insurance carrier for you. Once we determine who that is, but most importantly, the lowest rate. If you want to move forward, the next step would be either a voice signature right over the phone with the insurance company if you're really looking to get this activated quickly, or we can do what's called a email application, whatever's comfortable for you.
Okay.
All right. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, these questions right here, basic yes or no questions. All right. Do you
Okay.
currently smoke cigarettes?
No.
Okay. Any other tobacco products, cigars, pipes, chews, or gum?
No.
Any marijuana use last 10 years medically or recreationally?
No.
Okay. And what's your current height and weight?
Uh, thought I was 5'6", but it looks like I'm 5'5".
Okay, all
I
right. It
just went to
happens.
the
It's a
doctor.
circle of life, right? We get to the
Yeah.
highest point and
I
we
think I'm
give it
shrinking.
back. You give it back, right? and
Yeah.
what's your current weight?
Is 199.
Okay. And as far as right now, any treatment for high blood pressure or elevated cholesterol?
No, not
Okay.
currently.
Okay. And any heart problems, irregularities, or chest pain today or in the past?
No. No.
Okay. All right. Any stroke, mini stroke, or blood clots?
No.
Diabetes, elevated sugar?
Diabetes,
Okay.
type 2,
All right.
but
Type
he
2.
just took me off meds.
Oh, beautiful. So your A1C got lower. Okay. Were you probably on
Yes.
metformin?
I was on metformin and Januvia.
Okay. Okay. Geneva. Okay.
I
And
did have a recent weight loss.
okay. Well, that helps. It just
Yeah,
that
that's
helps.
exactly why.
Yeah, it helps. I mean, the body gives you a hug from the inside out when you lose a little bit of weight. I know I
Yeah,
do it for me. Your knees stop hurting, your ankles stop hurting,
right.
and any form of cancer or tumors in your lifetime.
No,
Okay. Any form of asthma or any kind of respiratory ailment?
No.
Okay. Has a doctor ever recommended a sleep study?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have sleep apnea?
I was diagnosed years ago, but
Okay.
I don't have the machine. I don't do that anymore, but
Okay. Well, weight
I
loss
was
helps you
diagnosed
too.
years ago.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Weight loss helps that a lot too. Okay. Probably if that's the case, you're probably mild form. I mean, if the doctor wasn't like, listen, she use this, and it's probably very mild.
Right.
Then. Okay.
Right.
All right. And any past issues with anxiety, depression, or nervous disorder?
I have depression. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. What are you taking, like citalopram or something along those lines?
Sarah, what is it called? Sertraline.
Sertraline. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Very common. All right. And any alcohol or drug abuse in the past?
No.
Okay. In the last 5 years, have you had any lab test abnormalities with your liver or kidneys?
No.
Okay. You currently taking any other medications or any other treatments you haven't told me about?
No, just the let me see.
You
Gosh.
take your time.
Well, I don't take anything regularly, so it's hard. I know I've taken other medication in the past, but
Okay.
currently I'm pretty much on just the sertraline.
Gotcha. Okay. Great. Great. Health-wise, you're doing fantastic. Okay. All right. So now I can go ahead and shop you for you. Okay. We'll look at 10,015. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the system is going circling right now. Just give me 1 second. You qualify for level benefit, which is it's the best rating class you can get. Okay, so pat yourself in the back. Keep on doing what you're doing. Dropping the weight. I know I dropped 50 pounds 2 years ago, and
Oh wow!
Now I fluctuate probably 15 pounds a year. You know, winter rolls around, I gain some insulation, and then summer rolls around, I give it back. You know.
Yeah.
So. All right. So, all right. So let me see. All right. So, $10,000. Okay, we'll go to 10,000 first. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 carriers right here, within literally a couple of bucks with each other. Okay.
Okay.
These are the best rates, very competitive for somebody that fits your profile. Okay, at your age and health. So it's nice to know that you got some insurance companies fighting for your business when their prices are so close. Okay, so I'll give you the price. There's a best price, and then there's the best carrier. Okay, I always like to give you the best price. Best price out there is going to be Mutual of Omaha. I'm sure you're very familiar with those guys. Been around since the 1880s. Okay, A+ superior rated. Most important fact to me, you die, they write the check. They have a perfect record. They've never not written a check. Okay, they're at for 10,000. They're at 3606 a month. Now, let me tell you, their underwriting, Mutual of Omaha's their underwriting is pretty stringent. Okay, not to say the least. I'm going to be very straightforward with you. Okay. Not concerned about the history of the diabetes, metformin. They'll find that out because they do a prescription check. Not concerned about that one bit. What I am a little concerned about is sertraline. Okay, they might go ahead and give you a graded policy, which you don't deserve. A graded policy is something that's for 2 years, and the rate will go up on you. All right, so that being the best price, I don't want to roll the dice with you with that. I'd rather give you a policy that I know you'll get approved for, level benefit same day. Okay, the best product out there is going to be Royal Neighbors of America. Are you familiar with those guys?
No, I've never heard of them.
You probably have, you just don't know it. Okay, they've been around they've been around since 1895. Okay, A+ superior rated company. They were, if you think about 1895, this company back then, they were founded by women, for women. Okay, now if you think about that, in 1895, women couldn't even vote. Okay, so you're talking, there's something that's a big thing back then. So just to give you an idea, they've been around since 1895, A+ rated company. Okay, they have also what comes with this, which you're very healthy. It's probably not going to benefit you too much, but it may in the future. They also come with a discount membership program. When you shop around, medications, you get your eyeglasses. I mean, literally the average senior saves about $437 a year, average. All right, for this policy, $10,000, you're at $40.79 a month. Okay, and for 15,000, okay, you'd be looking at $59.89. Okay, now the best rate out there is going to be at that rate, 15,000. You're going to be looking at $54.82. Okay, but again, you'll get that because they specialize in diabetes history. They specialize in depression up to schizophrenics. Okay, so I mean, this is the company that you'll get that policy, no pushback at all. Mutual of Omaha, we can give it a shot. It's a better price. Royal Neighbors is just it's a better product, but I don't want to see them rate you on that, certainly. I know they're not that greatest carrier with any kind of history of depression. Okay, so I mean, yeah, so I always like to be very, very transparent, because, you know, the last thing you want to do is apply and get a decline or a graded policy, then have to do this again. You know what I mean? Just to try to save a couple of bucks, like $3, you know?
Right.
So, I mean, if you were literally my mom or my aunt, I'd go Royal Neighbors all the way, because, again, it's just a better product. You get living benefits with that policy. You know what that is?
You can borrow from it?
No, that's a great. Well, these are whole life policies, burial whole life, so you can borrow it from it down the road. No, it's a good question, but yes, you can borrow from these policies. Any one of these policies you can borrow from, but living benefits is, God forbid, if you get sick. Let's just say you have a stroke, a heart attack.
Okay.
You can literally tap into this policy up to 50% without dying. Okay, if you need the money.
Okay.
Always good to have that option. You know, down the road something happens, nobody's got a crystal ball. Tomorrow, tomorrow's not guaranteed health-wise. So it's always nice to know, well, you know what? If you go to the 15,000 or the 10, you know that you always got $500 or $7,500 sitting there if you need it. God forbid, you know, sick, you know, nurses or whatever the case may be. Okay, it's always nice to have that option. Okay, so again, for 10,000, okay, you'd be looking at. I'm sorry, for 15,000, you're at $59.89, and for 10,000, you're at $40.79. Does any of those prices fit your budget?
You know what? I'm going to try the Mutual of Omaha one.
Okay, you're going to give that a shot? Okay, great.
I'm going to see what they say. But if they do the graded thing,
yeah, no, we don't want that.
I'll refuse.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Because you know what it is? The graded policy is $85 for 15,000. So the price goes from 52 to 85. So let me tell you what will happen. Okay, if we go do that, we're going to find out within a day. Okay, if we do go with the Mutual of Omaha, okay, then what we'll do is this: if they give us a graded, we'll say, you know what? Thank you very much. No thanks. Then we'll just go literally with the Royal Neighbors. Royal Neighbors is a voice signature, 3-way on the phone call. Get them on the phone, and it's literally within 12 minutes you're covered. Mutual of Omaha, a little bit different. There's not a voice signature process that Mutual of Omaha has. What I do is I go ahead and take the application information, and then I send you a DocuSign with the application. You review it, make sure it's correct. You electronically sign. Then I submit it right to Mutual of Omaha. We usually get a word literally within a few minutes. The other way we can do it is through an iPipeline, where I have to send you a HIPAA form that electronically sign before I can fill out the application. Okay, so I'll give that choice to you. Would you want to go with the DocuSign, which is more convenient, or would you like to go through the DocuSign? Okay. All right.
Question.
Sure, please.
Is there any way, like, I can do like a split that 40 into two payments?
Like a
I get paid weekly.
Okay.
If that's possible.
As far as I know, it's like a bi-weekly payment, something along the lines of bi-weekly.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Exactly. Yes.
I'll find out once we get into the application. I'm not sure they have a bi-weekly. They may. I will definitely check into that. Worst case scenario, they'll probably be a monthly. Is there any carriers that I know of that we have that are a bi-weekly? No. Yeah, I mean, I think Prosperity does, but they're going to be like $6-7 more. Okay. Yeah, I mean, they probably won't. I mean, we'll check once we get through the application for you. I'll see exactly if they have that option. All right.
Okay.
Let me see. All right. So let's go ahead. Let me log into Mutual of Omaha's portal, and let me download the Arizona application. Okay. And I will go ahead and take this. It takes about very simple. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes to get the process up into the DocuSign, and then I just go ahead. You already answered the health question, so we're good with that. And no significant health issues the last 2 years or anything like that, so you're fine. Let me see here. And what part of Arizona are you in?
I'm up in the northern part, Payson.
Oh, really?
From south.
In the last 70 years or the last 15 years combined, to the point where the tops of the mountains started getting that
middle name is I signed document.
Payment information. I'll leave blank for you. Okay.
Okay.
And what else is here? And the first one will be the conditional receipt. Have both of our signatures on it. Okay. All right. Okay. So give me about. Let me see. Just make sure I got everything here. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'll get this over to you, and let's just recap what we did. Again, we're just applying for $10,000 in coverage at Mutual of Omaha with their living promise. That's their burial insurance policy, final expense. Okay, for $36.06. I'm going to get the DocuSign over to you. Give me about 10, 15 minutes to put it together for you. You'll have it in your inbox. Again, the system will tell you exactly where to sign. I want to do business with your friends and relatives. 95% of my business comes from word of mouth. I'm that good. So if you want to get online, just Google Danny Ray Senior Life Insurance, Burial Insurance. You'll know exactly who I am. Been doing this a long time. A top 10 agent out of 200,000 agents in the country. So you're definitely in great hands. All right. So let me give you my direct line. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right. It's 888-531-7955. That's my direct line. That rings right to my desk. Okay. In the email, you're going to see 8553. That's the main line. If you call that, you click 1, it comes right to that phone number I just gave you. So you're bypassing the whole. You got the bad phone. Okay. You got me direct line. Okay. Again, my name's Danny Ray. Very hard to forget. And I'll definitely get this over to you. Give me about 10 minutes, and you'll have that in your inbox for you.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day. And and any questions, give me a call. And again, once I see that it's activated, I'll also give you a call as well. And again, if you have any questions, give me a buzz anytime. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem, Michelle. Welcome aboard.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.